Thuso Nchamisa, former leader of the Citizens Coalition for Change political party, has unveiled an ambitious plan to address Zimbabwe's graduate unemployment crisis through a data-driven citizens affairs program on his social media pages. In a recent post, Nchamisa emphasized the need for a comprehensive plan to guide citizens' development from birth, ensuring seamless transition into the job market. Zimbabwe produces thousands of graduates annually, but our economy fails to absorb them, leading to brain drain and human capital hemorrhage, Nchamisa said. Our new Citizens Affairs plan will transform educational achievements into tangible growth and prosperity for all. Key features of the plan include national identity assignment at birth, integrating social security, citizen number, and voter registration, rigorous monitoring and data analysis to match graduates with job market demands, collaboration with economic and social sectors to ensure job readiness. Nchamisa cited the recent University of Zimbabwe graduation ceremony, where 6,778 students graduated, including 200 medical doctors and 256 lawyers, but only 16 dentists and 83 pharmacists. This disparity highlights the need for strategic planning to address the market demands, he said. The CCC's plan aims to make graduate unemployment a thing for the past, ensuring Zimbabwe's investments in education yield meaningful results.